Hello guys, we have the Huawei P30 Pro, not quite in hand, but the box is. So what have we got? Well, it's in Dom's hand there. We have the Breathing Crystal 256 gig model, which comes with 8 gig of RAM. Comes with a, I nearly said Snapdragon then, it doesn't. It comes with a Kirin 980. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Ooh, feel that box flex. So we have the device, which I can't pick up. Done it. With the Breathing Crystal, which I'll take that off in a minute and you can have a look. And apparently this is not for resale. Okay, let's open this up and have a look. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Look at that. Look at that. That is actually really pretty. Ooh, anyway, let's put that over there and let it get scratched while we see what else is in the box. We have, doing this one-handed guys, so I hope you appreciate this. We have a, I'm not even going to get, no, am I? Yes I am. Right. We have a PU thing to keep your nice breathing crystal phone nice and clear. We have a 40-watt supercharger in non-Brexit variety, otherwise known as EU. We have some amazing earbuds. Insert sarcasm emoji here. And we have our USB-C cable. But yes, that is an unboxing, and yes, that's kind of all you need to know about what's in the box. This isn't a retail box though. But let's just have a look at what else we just got in our bags. Just for giggles. So we got a Huawei bag, which will be going into the nearest recycling bin. We got some paraphernalia for the device that we've just been given and the presentation we've just sat through, as Dom pointed out to me a minute ago. Why do we really need this? But it's interesting, I suppose. See, look, I mean, you'll see some of the photos later on the site and all the rest of it, but look at that. That's quality. That was the demo that they showed in the presentation. The fact that they could zoom in at 50 times and still pick out the names on the Eiffel Tower. Quality. What else did we get? We get a little life-size cardboard cutout of the orange, I don't know what it's called, something amber, burning amber, something like that.
Sunrise. Amber Sunrise.
Amber Sunrise, thanks Dom. That's what the Amber Sunrise phone would look like if I had it. And then we get a wallpaper city guide, which is a guide to the city that I'm in for the next 16 hours. So probably won't get to use that, but hey, maybe I'll come back to Paris. So, I've just put it away. Why have I just put the phone away? So, we will pause this and do a quick first boot, and then we'll get you some photos of exactly what this camera setup can actually deliver, and put them up on the site, put them up on Instagram at MobileTechTalk, and yeah, check me out and check Dom out as well, because no doubt we'll be taking quite a few pictures with this beauty over the next few hours. So yeah, let's see what we've got. Let's do a little first boot then, shall we? Assuming we've got any...
I'm speed setting mine up if you want to use my hotspot.
Dom is setting his up. Let's take a first boot. See what it looks like. Yeah, he's already setting it up, look. Well, you get the same Huawei logo that you've had for, well, since Huawei was born. So it comes with EMUI 9.1 this time, which hopefully brings a few bug fixes, hopefully brings a little bit more to the table in terms of the mobile computer component, which I was talking about on the stream earlier. I doubt it will, but you never know. But one thing it certainly does have going for it that didn't have going for it a couple of years ago is it's much more amenable to stock Android fanatics. So it's actually adding some value, and the bits that you may not find of value you can just ignore, whereas before they're very pervasive and they would eat into your user experience. So I'm not actually in the UK at the moment, but I'm going to choose UK because that is where I am from. I'm not going to insert a SIM card. I'm not going to import anything. I'm not going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. I'm not going to use, oh, I am going to use Google services. Why not? I'm not going to send any usage or diagnostic data though. Come on, accept. Shall I set up a fingerprint ID? Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's just put all the ones in. Ooh. This is slightly different from the Mate 20 Pro in terms of how it looks, but you can see that the Mate 20 Pro, well, you can't see it at the moment because this is the Mate 20 Pro, but it has the fingerprint scanner around here, so when you touch it, it's there. Let me see if I can just kind of get it up. You can faintly see it there. There you go. That's where it is on the Mate 20 Pro. And this is where it is on the new P30 Pro. So let's just engage this. Sorry about those annoying fluorescent light lines on the screen. Not much I can do about it at the moment. Yeah, I know I should be adjusting my fingerprint, but I'm not. Just do it already. Stop moaning. Get the edges. You can see me trying to get the edges there. Still wants me to do more edges. I've only got so many edges on my fingers. Right. So, I'll put it back down now and skip that bit. Do I want to enable all services? Why would you not?
Yeah, no, I work quite a lot.
Let's enable and continue the updates. And that is the first look at setting up the beautiful Huawei P30 Pro. Very nice, very nice. So there's the lovely camera that we will be using quite a lot of over the next few hours, telling me how to switch camera modes, which is very similar to any other Huawei product we've probably used in the last couple of years. But yeah, keep it locked to MobileTechTalk, and we will be showing you some samples from this, some video samples, some photography samples. Dom will be probably doing a review from the camera aspect. I'll be doing a review from the actual product itself, just showing you how it actually functions as a smartphone. Actually getting a bit of pink here as well, which is interesting. I think it's the overhead lights. And yeah, this is Craig from MobileTechTalk, and we'll catch you later. New shiny.